We are in the house, so we need to give to you a tips how to pump your the air in your bike. So this is I'm using for the pumping the air. Okay, so let's do it now. This is the pressure of the air. See? It's too much. Okay, so we need to reduce a little bit. It's 46. 45 is enough. Okay. Reduce a little bit. Okay. So at the back. Okay. So I think this is good now. So this is how to pump your air in your bike. So if you want more videos, so just click the button and notification bell and subscribe for new upcoming amazing tips for you. Okay, so how to pump your air in your bike. Need to reduce this because it's too much. Uy, additional, too much air. Reduce the other air. Okay, so a little bit pump. Okay, I think that's good. It's 27. It's only for a kid's bike. Okay, so that's it for now. How to pump a bike in your house. Okay, it's tight. Okay, see you guys. For the upcoming videos, click the button and click the lights and subscribe and click the notification bell for upcoming videos. Okay, that's it for now. See you guys.